All right, guys, here we're going to solve radical equations using the powers. So what we're going to do is we have 3 steps. We're going to isolate the radical, get rid of the radical by raising each side to the same exponent, and then we are going to solve for x. All right, so to solve these radical equations, we need to isolate the radical, which is this part right here. Okay, and to do that, I'm going to add 9 to both sides, for example, 1. All right, and then that cancels. So we get our cube root of x equals a positive 3. And now to get rid of this radical, we're going to raise it to power 3, and notice how the index matches. Do it to one side, you got to do it to the other. All right, so the radical 3 and the powers cancel. We get x coming out. 3 cubed is 27, and this will be our answer here. Example 2, we need to isolate the radical part here. So anything in front, including that 2, needs to be divided out. Okay, so now these 2's are canceled. We get the square root of x plus 1 equals 2. Get rid of the square by taking it to the power 2. And remember, even though it's not written, there's this 2 assumed to be there on the index. Okay, those cancel. We get x plus 1 out, and 2 squared is 4. Solve for x, so subtract by 1. X equals 3. Okay, example 3. Remember, you got to keep track of what's inside the radical and what's not. Again, this part here needs to be isolated. We need to add 1 to both sides. All right, so now we've got our cube root of 2x minus 9. That's going to equal 3. Okay, we'll exponentiate those 3's there. And on the other side too, those cancel. And we have 2x minus 9 equals 27 again. Add 9 both sides. Get 36. Divide by 2 both sides. And we're going to get x equal to 18.